Hey, what's going on guys? Nick here from Metalogic Design, and today we're going to go through how to set up a Google business profile. Last time we did a Google local service ads. This time we're going to do business profile. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's go ahead and learn how to set up your Google business profile. All right, to get started, if you haven't already, just sign in the top left here, and then it'll prompt you to sign in with your username or email for your Google business profile. So let's get started by typing in our business name. It'll be Nick's. We did car washing last video. If you do already have one set up, let's say Nick's Caribbean Cuisine, that's what I'm setting up. Click it, and then you might have the ability to claim it. So for example here, I looked this up here. Sometimes you'll already have a made business profile for you on Maps, and that Google sometimes kind of automatically makes for you. If they did do this in this scenario, you would click this right here, claim my business, and then you would just submit a claim to Google to essentially have ownership of that business profile. But since we're making this from scratch, we'll just do Nick's Car Washing and create a business with that name. So choose your business type. You have three options. You have online retail, local store, and service business. So online retail, very simple. You just sell items on your website. Local store, people come to you. And then service business is you go to them. And obviously you can select more than one. Let's say that this business right here, I do sell my own wax and car wash supplies. I also, let's say I do have a local store people can come to, and I have a mobile detailing service. So we'll click all three and go next. Add your online store. So enter your web address where they can purchase products. So you just put your website here and click next. I'll go ahead and skip this step. Enter a business category. So this is honestly one of the most crucial things you can do when setting up a Google business profile. So what you would want to do is when you do car wash or whatever you do, you want to select the thing that's most prominent and then go from most prominent to least prominent. So I do car wash, maybe car detailing would be even better. Car detailing service. And then obviously it says right here, you can change this, your primary category, or add more later. So we'll just stick with car detailing service for now and click next. Enter business address. So when they come visit you, if you are a brick and mortar business, you enter your address here, and that's what will pop up on Google Maps. For now, I guess we have to put something in here. I will be right back. All right, so I've gone ahead and added a address here, and it is asking me, are these your businesses? So again, Google sometimes will automatically create business profiles for you. These are obviously none of the ones I'm making here, so I'll click none of these, click next. Add your business phone number, so this is the number that people are going to be calling you and texting you from. I'm going to skip this for now. And then put your business on the map. So get news and tips and get invitations. You can leave this on or off. I find them kind of spammy. Google does like to email me quite a few times a day. For now, I'll leave this off, but I'll leave the choice. I'll leave it in your hands. Let's go ahead and click continue. All right, you are now verified. So let's go ahead and click next. Add your service. So again, you just kind of select all of the things you do. So auto, detailing, interior, car waxing. And if you obviously are not a car wash service, but a tree service, or just any other service like a lawyer, consultant, there's going to be a plethora of options for you to choose from. We'll select these right now and continue. And obviously, if you don't see yours here, you actually can add a custom service in case they don't give you anything from the presets. So go ahead and click next. All right, add your business hours. So what day are you open? You would toggle this on or off. You can go ahead and leave all of these open, and you select 24 hours if you are an emergency service, like a locksmith or something, or you just kind of go this stereotypical 9 to 5 route here. So say you open at 3 in the morning, close at whatever you want. That's the beauty of it. For now, I'll skip this and we'll continue the next step. Add a business description. So this is kind of where you want to do a little bit of SEO. You do want to add something along the lines of the services that you already selected. So I'll go ahead and come up with a brief paragraph for you in 1 second. Okay, so here we've come up with this generic business description for our car washing service. But as you can see here, we kind of included all of the services that we selected a little bit ago. So auto detailing, interior vacuuming, car waxing service. And this kind of goes on and tells a brief synopsis of what our business does. So go ahead and click next. All right, and now we're at one of the most important things. I know everything kind of seems important in this video, but if I were to narrow it down, it would go reviews are the most important, which we'll get into, I believe, right after this, photos, and then the services you choose. So photos are going to be one of the first things that people see when they look up your business, right? You click any one of these, it's going to be the first thing people see right on top, right? So you want your images to be, to catch the eye, and really personify what your business provides. So it could be a before and after if you're a car detailer. It could be a before and after of a tree service, just you doing the act. You kind of get the gist, but just make sure these pictures are high quality and really grab the attention of people surfing the web. So we'll skip this for now. Claim your $1,000 advertising credit. Typically there's kind of a, I guess I would say there's a catch with this. You claim 1,000 after spending X amount of money. Google doesn't really give you anything for free. So right now we'll skip this. If you want to kind of do more research, go ahead and click claim your credit. I'm sure they'll give you all the details of that. Get a custom domain address. I'll go ahead and skip that. You probably should have one if you are a business. So to be truthful, little surprised that we were able to set this up all in one go. Typically Google does kind of, what they do is they send you a kind of postcard in the mail in order to verify your business is legitimate. For some reason, it didn't send me one here, which is kind of weird, but it looks like we're all set up. And as you can see here, the research is very short and it's done. Get $1,000 in Google Ads credit when you spend $1,500. So there you go if you were interested. And then the last thing and the most important thing, so I said that your photos are second most important. Your services are the third. The first most important thing is asking for a review. So what you want to do, grab this review link and all your happy customers, create a little Google Sheets, Excel doc, whatever you have, and just send them a review request. Because the more reviews you have, the better your business looks, the higher you're going to be ranked in Google Maps and in the Google kind of map pack. Little warning though, kind of send this out. Let's say you have 1,000 customers, send out maybe 20 a day, because when Google sees an influx of reviews, that's a large number. Essentially what happens is they're kind of spam it for being a little fishy. But besides that, guys, that is essentially how you set up your Google business profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Again, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, guys, I will see you next week.